children, welcome back. Your patience in waiting to decorate cookies is going to pay off today. Randy's Electric Camera Crew is back here today to capture all of our great ideas for Christmas cooking, baking, and decorating. Today we're going to learn to decorate traditional Christmas cookies with joy. Let's get started. You can buy your favorite frosting at your local grocery store, or you can make it by yourself from scratch. And while you're at the store, buy different decorations or candies that you can place on your cookies. Remember, these aren't the only ingredients that are important. Self-control and patience are really important in order to get the look that you're after. You want to go slow and be patient so that you get all the decorations on the cookie and not on the floor. Let's start decorating. My favorite thing to do is to decorate these cookies nice and evenly. Green is my favorite color for the Christmas trees. I pick various colors to put on here. Red, put a little white. And we've got our first cookie. Look at these. These are my favorites. Look at here. There we go. Lots of frosting. And this is how some of the cookies that I made earlier turned out. How do your cookies look? I'd love to have you send me a picture so I can see what you've done. Putting love and joy into baking these cookies is what Christmas is all about. This is the secret to baking magical Christmas cookies. Love and joy and a bit of Christmas magic. Santa will be thrilled to see the Christmas cookies you're leaving for him. He will be filled with joy and peace at the end of this magical night of Christmas Eve. In the meantime, be good and kind. We'll see you next time.